gotta go to the time to pick up cash here. At 2:30, someone's gotta go to the time.
Yeah, that's right.
What's up, baby? Huh?
Yo, you want to introduce me to Cool Ricky so I can know me on stage? All right, all right.
Oh yeah, he knows me.
Yo, I understand. Yo.
Nah. You know what I'm saying? It's a happy moment. Yeah, you're a real motherfucker though. Yeah, baby, I felt you, yeah, you the mind for real, baby. Alright? Peace and love, baby, the mind, baby. What? Smooth be notorious, glorious, knowledge sipping and I'm living the fortune. Yo, success, blessings in the year one, baby. Woo!
My boy. Yeah.
I wanna have a little ecstasy. Yeah. When you're right next to me. Yeah. Yo, alright, we gotta do this. What we're gonna do right here is go back. We're gonna go way back. Way back into time. Right about now, I like to bring to the stage, fuck it. No introduction needed.
Watch your back,
shit. What? Big body, go.